Welcome to another edition of the FlufferDome. So, today we are going to do a closet makeover. But first, are you subscribed? I'm waiting. Okay. Alright, good job. Yeah. Thank you. Alright, let's get to it. And if you're already subscribed, I just want to thank you. So, as you probably already know from the title and the thumbnail, what I'm doing, but in case I decided to do a more mysterious thumbnail, I'm still not going to tell you. You're going to wait for the reveal. Bum, bum, bum. But this wall in my closet was just really bare, and I also needed to figure out how to store my accessories for my ever-growing wardrobe. And the system I had up here was not working anymore because I had way too many things to fit on here. So I'm just taking everything down. Yeah, I dropped that whole ribbon full of clips and my skeleton clip came apart. I have to glue that back together, but luckily it didn't break, so I can just, reattach the clip back onto the little skelly hand. So my daughter made me these beautiful origami roses that I was using to hang my things up. Isn't it so pretty? Bare walls, yay! Alright, so we're putting bodyline bags in the walls. So as you can see on the left, they are not flat, and then on the right, they're flat. I'm going to show you how to make them flat. So at first I tried to steam them. That did not work. That was terrible. Don't try to steam them. It won't work at all. It's a complete waste of time. Oh, here's my Anime Week in Atlanta shirt that I got last year. Hey, it's been canceled this year. Woo! Anyway, so I have my iron. It is on high, and I just have a cotton shirt that is, I just folded it, in half. I just put the whole shirt on top of the plastic bag, just to protect the plastic from the heat. But we want enough heat in order to flatten out those seams, because where the bag is folded when you buy the items, it doesn't show the entire logo, and I wanted to show the whole logo on the wall, so I had to readjust where that fold was in the bag, and I wanted it to lay flat on the wall. So you're going to do this for a little while. It might take a couple times, but you want to make sure you keep your iron moving, because you don't want to burn and mar your plastic, because that's just going to disrupt the whole look that we're going for today. And as you can see, it just takes a couple times of me adjusting this. I actually think my iron was not as hot as it should have been. I think it shut off while I was doing everything else. So once your iron is hot, it shouldn't take as long. As you can see, this next bag, I think I just only do like 1 or 2 passes on this bag. And I know it's a smaller bag, but also by this time, since I just done that larger bag, my iron was definitely hot by this point. So it didn't take long at all to fix this and make it flat. But like I said, once again, you want to make sure keep your iron moving, have you a nice thick cotton shirt to put in between as a barrier. All right, and here I am kind of adjusting and planning out where I want the bags to go on the wall. I did already do some measurements. As you can see, I'm just faking measurements here just for the sake of the video, so you guys know you should probably measure out and plan out. This poster tack is great because I don't want to put 9,000 holes in my wall with push pins, so we're going to use that to hold the bags up. It is very stiff, and you do have to spend quite a while stretching it out in order to get it pliable, to make it sticky. But this stuff is great. I get it from the dollar store. It's fantastic. Alright, so I'm going to place this on 5 points on the bag, all the 4 corners and 1 in the middle. Okay, you do need the one in the middle because I tried with just the 4 corners. I tested one out and it fell right off the wall. I don't know what happened, but so make sure you do all 5 points so that way it stays up. And then so I'm putting the larger bags on the outside, and I'm going to put these smaller bags in the middle, like kind of like a runner down the middle. I like the different shapes of the bags to give it a better kind of design look thing. So I really thought this was a fun idea, a good way to make use of all of those brand and whatever other kind of bags you have. I've seen people do like brand walls, like with AP bags and Baby Star Shine Bright bags, but I have like 1 AP bag and like one Alice in the Pirates bag. I don't even have a baby Starshine Bright bag, but I had a bunch of these Bodyline bags because Bodyline is pretty much the only new Lolita I've bought aside from Taobao, and I am a Bodyline brat. Because I'm sorry, like I stand, like, I don't stand, but I do appreciate a good majority of Bodyline pieces. So, you know, just you know, that's just me. You know, I know the old controversy or whatever, but you know, they had some good stuff, and I wasn't around when that stuff was going on, and you know, that's just where I am with my budget and my tastes and things I like. Okay, all right. Now that we're past that, so I am almost finished here. I do need a few more bags, so I mean, if y'all got some Bodyline bags that you know you kind of don't want, you know, or you don't mind, you know, like handing over, yeah, hit your girl up because I need some more bags. I want to fill this wall up. But so yeah, I'm almost done, and just making sure to press down firmly on all of those points. Okay. And I actually wore this Bodyline dress on purpose because it's a Bodyline video, and this bunny dress they had released last summer, but it's just such a heavyweight like cotton, like it's only like good to wear on like chilly days. And I was in the house being comfy, and I actually just got some you can kind of see them, I think when I go up on the step ladder you can kind of see the bunny socks that I have. They're just black socks with little bunny ears on it. So I was just going for a whole comfy at-home bunny theme today. Yeah, I really do love this piece though. It's so comfy, especially for like at-home wear. I haven't really figured out how to wear it in any other kawaii styles. But back to what I'm doing. Remember I put the 5 points on the bag? Well, I'm moving that middle point because I don't like that big blue dot right in the center of the heart. I don't like the way that looks. So what I'm doing here is I'm just moving it up a little bit. I'm going to show you in a second where I'm going to put it. And it's just basically going to be at the top of that heart. So it's still 5 points, but we're going to move it. See? Yeah, we don't want that. I don't like that. So we're just going to grab that. And you see how easy this poster tag just comes off and goes back on, like without holes in the wall. And also that giant hole in the wall, which I'm trying to cover up. But yeah, so I just put it right at the little dip in the heart. So just wait, it's behind the print, so you can't see it. But it still has 5 points on it, so it's secure and it'll hold the bag onto the wall. Okay? So, and that is that. I'm going to adjust the other ones. And yeah, I am all done. Next, I'm going to grab my accessories and put my accessories up and adjust those how I would like them to be adjusted. And I actually might go back, and because on the smaller bags in the middle there is a blue dot in the center, I'll probably go back and either split it in half and put them on the sides or the top and the bottom, just, you know, just so it's not in the middle, like, because I don't like that blue dot. It looks weird. It takes away from the clean look of how everything is uniform. And that's it. I'm finished. Bum, 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 bum. So now I'm just kind of gauging where I want everything. It's just like, how am I going to do this? I don't know. So I'm going to start putting things back on the wall. Most of the stuff I kept just on the same ribbons. I did kind of adjust things, and you'll see at the end when I do the final reveal, you'll see what I decided to do with all of my stuff. But this part, I'd say, probably took me the longest, is trying to figure out where I wanted to put my things. So actually, if I actually combine in me adjusting all my accessories and finding secure places for them and, you know, homes for everything, it probably took me a total of 3 hours now that I think about it. It's probably more like 3 hours total. And that's not including ironing the bags, which did take a little while. So that probably took maybe about 30 minutes to iron all those bags. These push pin hooks, I love these because you can hook things onto it and then still stick things to the wall with the push pin. So fun. And are you ready? Drum roll, please. Ba-na! Here is the final result. And as you can see, I added more ribbons to hang up all of my hang-upable accessories, and on those push pin hooks I hung my necklaces up, and the push pin is holding the ribbon onto the wall, and I really like this, and pretty much all of my accessories are just visible on the wall for me to see now. And then what I did for small accessories that I could not hang on the wall, I just organized. I took my nightstand drawer. It is now Lolita accessory drawer. Oh hey, welcome to my closet. You like it? What do you think? I like it. I think it came out swell. But anyway, bye. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.